Hi, welcome to our product demo. Today we will demonstrate how to configure the Secure Access Service Edge SASE product in OmniCPQ. We will begin by explaining the product and pricing models. Next, in OmniCPQ, we will select a customer, navigate the product catalog, choose a SASE offering, and initiate the configuration process. Since SASE requires an existing connectivity product subscription, we will link an inventory record. Once configured, we will approve the quote and present it to the customer. Finally, we will convert the quote into a product order. Let's get started. Let's start with the product model. The SASE overlay product consists of multiple edges, with each edge requiring an underlying connectivity service. Additionally, Firewall as a Service and DNS security are included as part of the bundle. We will use a tiered pricing model where the number of actors determines the tier. If the number of actors exceeds 50, an overage fee will be applied. Let's start with a blank quote. We will select a customer by invoking party and party role management APIs. A quote is created. Now let's browse the product catalog for SASE offerings. TMF620 API gets invoked. Let's review the product catalog view of the SASE offering. Characteristics. Prices. Bundled offerings. Edge connectivity. Before switching back to the quote, an offering qualification API computes eligibility. Let's pick an offering and start configuration. The configuration API gets invoked to compute an initial configuration. The product configuration includes characteristics, bundled offerings, and prices. Whenever we enter a characteristic value or pick an option, the configurator recomputes the configuration and reapplies pricing. The SASE overlay product connects several sites with edge services. Each edge requires an underlying connectivity. Using the TMF637 API to browse the product inventory, we can select the customer's existing 5G or private MPLS product. To connect the third site, we will add a new 5G connectivity. The site requires an address, which is obtained using the Geographic Address API. Let's complete the configuration. Now we can save the quote using the Quote Management API. OmniCPQ allows us to offer an additional discount. Solution pricing provides full pricing information. We can now complete the task and start the approval process. Finally, we will present the quote to the customer. Let's generate the quote using a predefined document template. We can review the document and finally email it to the customer. The quote, together with any supporting documents, such as terms and conditions or product briefs, is emailed to the customer. When the customer accepts the quote, a product order is automatically generated using the TMF 622 API. Since the quote is based on the product catalog, we can only review the items and initiate the fulfillment process. The order orchestration management component handles the fulfillment process. Let's recap. We explored how OmniCPQ manages the configuration of a corporate SASE product. We reviewed the product model and initiated the quoting process. Since the customer already had an existing connectivity service, we linked the relevant inventory items. Finally, we approved the quote, presented it to the customer, and created an order upon acceptance. Throughout the process, we also highlighted the appropriate use of TM Form APIs. That's it. Thanks for watching.